Let's work on the future value of growing annuity today with Excel. For example, this question, if I put $100 into a bank initially growing at 10% every year, how much is it worth after 10 years with 5% interest rate? In Excel, first need to type the growth rate, which is 10%, and interest rate, which is 5%. Then you need to fill the time index, 1, 2, 3, and then highlight these 3 numbers and then drag it down until you see 10. Remember, the initial payment is 100, so put 100 here. Then we calculate the other payment by the previous payment. It's 100 multiplied by 1 plus the growth rate. Remember to log the growth rate. And then click this number and double click it. The fast way to find the future value is to find the present value first. Because we have the internal function to calculate the present value, that equals to NPV. The interest rate is 5%, and comma, and highlight all those cash flows. Then we got $1,184.67. That would be the present value for this set of payment. To find the future value, you need to use the internal function for future value, which is equals to FV. The interest rate would be the 5%, which is the interest rate for the whole period. And per would be 10. There's no periodic payment, so we just skip it. The present value would be the NPV just calculated. So remember to put negative in front of that number, or else you're going to get a negative future value. Then enter, you got the answer, which is 1,929.70 as the future value. So it means that after 10 years, you're going to get $1,929.70 if you put $100 initially into the bank, and it's growing at 10% every year for 10 years. That's it for today. Thank you.